डिस्कशन के लिए टॉपिक है दैट इज सॉल्यूशन ऑफ साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस. We are given two equations. One is linear equation and second is quadratic equation. So we have to find their solution. Simultaneous equation means their common solution we have to find, which the solution which is valid for both equations. हम जब दोनों इक्वेशंस में या वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे so answer will be left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what is the method to solve these two equations? That is from equation 1. This is equation 1. So we are going to find the value of x from this equation. 3x is equal to minus 2 we will take on the right hand side and it will become plus 1 plus 2y. Now x is being multiplied with 3, so when we will take this 3 on the right hand side, so that will become the denominator of 1 plus 2y, that will divide that. So this is the value of x. So from first equation, which was linear, we have found the value of x and we will put this value in second equation. Let's see next. Put it in equation 2. So x square. So value of x square was 1 plus 2y over 3. So this is the value of x square. Value of x plus x into y. This is the value of x we have found from first equation into y minus y square is equal to 1. Next, according to a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, this is the answer. This 3 square is 9 plus, so multiply this y within bracket, this is y plus 2y square over 3 minus y square is equal to 1. Now we have to remove the denominator. This is 9. LCM of this whole equation is 9, so we will multiply this 9 with the whole equation with all the fractions, multiplying by 9 on both sides. Both sides means 9 into this fraction plus this fraction into 9 minus this y square into 9 is equal to 1 into 9. So these two 9s will be cancelled. So here will be 1 plus 4y plus 4y square plus 4y plus 3 3s are 9s. जब हम यहाँ cancel करेंगे so it will be 3 and that 3 will be multiplied with these two elements, that is 3y plus 6y square minus 9 into y square, that is 9y square is equal to 1 into 9, that is 9. So simplify it. 4y square plus 6y square, that will become 10y square. 4y square plus 6y square, 10y square minus 9y square, so answer will be plus 1y square. So there is no need to write here 1. Now variables y, these two terms are like terms, 4y plus 3y, so answer will be 7y, both are plus 1. And when we will take this 9 on the left hand side, that will become minus 1 minus 9, answer will be minus 8 is equal to 0. Now it is quadratic equation. So now this is quadratic equation. So how we solve the quadratic equation? We have many methods to solve quadratic equation. One is factorization method, second is quadratic formula, and third one is completing square, and many more methods. So up to grade 10 or 11 we normally use these three formulas. So in this case we will solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. And what is factorization method we have discussed in another video. Okay, how we factorize this middle term. So y square plus 8y minus y minus 8, these two terms are same, or 7 we have break it. We have broke it this 7y, that is 8y minus y. So if we add these two terms, so answer will be 7y. If we multiply these two terms, answer will be minus 8y square, which is equal to this y square into minus 8. So in detail factorization method we have discussed in another video. So these are four terms now. So we will take common from first these two terms and then common from these two terms. So from these two terms common is y. So inside that will be within bracket y plus 8 minus, from these two there is no common, minus 1 is always common, minus is common and 1 is always common. So within bracket that will be y plus 8. So if we took minus as common, so this will be plus and 8 will be again plus. So now this y plus 8 in both these two terms is common, so it will take common. So here will be y, here will be minus 1 is equal to 0. These two factors are being multiplied with each other and answer is 0. So definitely if in mathematics if two factors are being multiplied and answer is 0, so one will be definitely 0. We don't know y plus 8 is 0, either y minus 1 is 0. So 1 by 1 we will put it is equal to 0. So if this is 0, so answer y value of y will be minus 8, and in this case y will be 1. So for this quadratic equation we found two values of y, one is minus 8 and y is equal to 1. So these two values one by one we will put in this equation number 3. So we will find the value of uh, x. So this is equation 3 again, we wrote it here. Putting these values in equation 3, y 1 by 1, y minus 8 and y is equal to 1, 1 by 1, put these two values in this equation number 3. So first is minus 8. If y minus 8, so put here minus 8. So answer will be 1 plus 2 into minus 8 over 3. So 1 minus 16 over 3, it will be minus 15 over 3. So answer is minus 5. If y is minus 8, then x will be minus 5. And next, if y is 1, to put it here 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 3, 3 over 1, 3. If y is 1, then x is 1. So we found two values, two pairs of solution. One, if x is minus 5, y is minus 8, and if x is 1, y is 1. So these are two pairs, two ordered pairs. These are the value of x and y for these two simultaneous equations. If we want to check this answer is correct or not, this is valid for both equations or not, one by one we put these x and y values in this first equation. 3 into this minus 5, so it will become minus 15, minus 2 into minus 8, it will be plus 16, minus 15 plus 16, answer will be equal to right hand side, that is 1. Again, if we want to check this value, put it here and answer will be definitely 1, which will be equal to right hand side. Similarly 1 1 we can check in first equation either second equation. It means these two pair of answers are both valid, true for these two equations. So it is called solution of simultaneous equations.